And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right then, so first thing we're going to do is open the passenger's door and locate the glove box. Now, the pollen filter on this is actually behind the glove box compartment, so we're going to open that up. Now, all you got to do is either side of the glove box, there's two catches. Now, all you need to do is stick your hand either side of the glove box and squeeze it in, and then it actually lowers down. Now you can see on the left hand side, I've come down a bit, but there's this little ram which basically is like a slow release for the glove box, and it's basically held onto a little like popper, and you just need to pop it off and then the glove box will drop completely. You can see I've popped it off there now. I'll just turn the camera so you can have a little look, but basically all it is like a little soft open, so it obviously allows it not to fall open too fast. It's got these two little holes, and the bottom hole clips onto a lug, so make sure you unclip that so you don't break it. So we're looking in here now, you can see the heater box and you can see the actual cover. Now it's got two little push in tabs, one either side, so one right by here, so you push the tab in and then obviously push the tab on the opposite side, and then the panel, if you pull it from the bottom, it'll just hinge up. So once you've got them two tabs in, you can lift him up, and there is your pollen filter. Now obviously it's a bit awkward to grab, so what I like to do is just give it a good push in the middle and it'll kind of crease, and you can get your finger down the side of it and pull it out. Oh, just to mention there, obviously take note of the airflow direction. You can see on this one it's pointing down, so when we get our new filter, we're obviously going to match it so the arrows are facing down on that one to make sure we put it in the right way around. There it is. So once you got that out now, you can see how stinking this one is. Now mine was full of leaves. There is a load of leaves, as I was saying, in my box, so obviously you want to get any of these bits of leaves out just to make sure, otherwise they're going to go through the vents or get stuck in the heater matrix or something like that. So there we go. So we slot the new filter in, push it as far as it goes, and then close the lid. And that's it. It's that simple, guys. It's just a matter now of lifting it up, reconnecting on this little device by here, pushing him back on, and then lifting the glove box. Now it will automatically pop into position, you haven't got to clip the sides in, and then we'll open him up and you'll see she should nice and slowly open, and that's it done. Thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.